Students all around the world have been facing the same problem, the conversion of prefix. And maybe you are one of them. Prefix can be confusing and tricky. So, what should we do to overcome this problem?
I have an idea. I think I have solved this before in the internet. Let me tell you more about this. Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Our team name is Eureka, and our innovation is Eddy.
Do you remember this topic from Science Form 1? I bet you do.
Tell me about it. Tak sukalah cover-cover ni pening kan? Pening kan?
Exactly, that's why this method is invented.
At first, we were just playing with some words, which are Tentera General Manager keluar dari camp, masuk hutan, nampak pontianak. Sounds ridiculous, right? Yeah. But with these words, we have decided to come up with a new learning method, which is based on a sword shape or Eddy method.
So, this is our actual first design. We thought it would be more fun to just add a little bit spice. So we used the editing app Canva, and this is how it turns out. Ta-da!
It might look complicated and hard, but let me show you how easy to use it.
First, 1 tera equals to how many bases? So look at here, 1 tera equals to 10 power of 12. And then you write it down on the paper. Then you need to identify the next units by following the flow, which is the C equal to 10 power of 1. And then you write it down on the paper. You need to sum up the index. And then you will get 1 times 10 power of 13. So the answer is 1 tera equal to 1 times 10 power of 13 deci.
So here another example, 1 micro equals to how many kilo? So first go to our Eddy and look for micro. Here micro is 10 power of negative 6. And then we will write it down on the paper. And then look for kilo, follow the flow. And here, kilo is 10 power of negative 3, and we will write down 2. And so we will sum them up, and we will get 1 times 10 power of negative 6 plus negative 3. And then we will get 1 times 10 power of negative 9. So the conclusion is 1 micro equals to 1 times 10 power of negative 9 kilo. We have conducted a pre-test for our students to test this innovation.
Most of them have difficulties and even ask us how.
After that, we have decided to introduce our new learning method.
They quickly understand the method and said that it was very easy. And so, to put our method to test, we have asked our students to use this learning method. They were fascinated by the design and said that it was really fun and enjoyable to look at. The aftermath test results were higher than the previous one. Most importantly, the students said that they had fun using this method and they can now convert prefix easier and faster than before.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Miss Nurin. I teach science. Whenever I use this learning tool in my class, the students seem to grasp the topic even easier and makes my life a lot convenient. Students will be able to remember these prefixes even after entering the university, as the mnemonic is very catchy and hard to forget. I hope the government can implement this type of learning tool in STEM subject textbook in order to promote the fun learning.
Assalamualaikum, I'm a mathematics teacher from SVPI Gombak, TGZT. In my opinion, this learning tool, Eddy, is a very powerful tool. It's because it is efficient in a way that it requires no time at all. No calculator will be involved, because the students will only need to use these mnemonics, and it will elevate all the stress that is involved in mathematics for the students. I wish this learning tools can help the students learn better and makes it more fun and even more motivating for the students. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our videos. We hope that we will make it to the next stage. Have a nice day. Bye!